Three men shot dead in Central Village. 62-year-old man gunned down in Enfield, St. Mary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Three men were shot dead in Central Village, St. Catherine, on Wednesday night. The deceased, all residents of Central Village, have been identified as 20-year-old Matthew Smith, also known as Cool J, of Thomas Lane section of the community, Giovanni Ferguson, also known as Gio, of Macbird Hill, and Jaheim Ferguson, also known as JJ, also of McBride Hill. Reports are that about 9:45 p.m., residents of McBride Hill reportedly heard a series of explosions. At the end of the gunfire, the lifeless bodies of the three young men were discovered and the police alerted. Upon their arrival, the police found the body of Smith outside the dwelling of the house, seated with gunshot wounds to his face and upper body. Jaheim Ferguson's body was seen inside the house, lying on its back with gunshot wounds to the chest and head, while Giovanni Ferguson's body was discovered in another room inside the house, laying on its side with gunshot wounds to his body. It is understood that initial investigations by the police suggested that the deceased men were involved in a shootout. The investigations are ongoing. The St. Mary police are investigating the murder of a 62-year-old man whose body was found with gunshot wounds near bushes in Enfield. He is George Malcolm, farmer of Broad Villa in Fort Stewart. The discovery was made in an area known as Dry River in Enfield. It is reported that about 2:10 p.m., residents heard loud explosions and alerted the police. Cops arrived in the area and conducted a search during which Malcolm's body was discovered face down near bushes. He was dressed in a brown shirt, floral shorts, and a striped underpants. A closer examination of the body revealed what appeared to be gunshot wounds. No spent casings were recovered at the scene. The police are urging anyone with information that can assist the investigation to contact the Anatomy Police at 876-994-4222, Crime Stop at 311, or the nearest police station.